How is this possible? I use the same eye pencil on both eyes, but when I rub my eyes, only one eye smudges. That's surely a problem with the technique. And today is just the right day to show you how to make your eyeliner smudge proof if you have sensitive, watery eyes, because my eyes today are extremely sensitive and watery. Anytime before I start my eye makeup, I always cool off around the eyes with an ice pack. Never use ice directly. Make sure to wrap it in a piece of cloth and press it gently around your eyes. If you didn't know, icing controls oil and sweat by constricting pores and sweat glands. The cold temperature also soothes inflammation, minimizing redness, and gives skin a matte, refreshed look by tightening the skin. It can make pores appear smaller and help make makeup last longer. Next, make sure to use an eyeshadow primer, and the one that I'll be using today is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Eyeshadow primers prevent eyeliners from smudging by creating a smooth, oil-free base that helps products adhere better to the skin. This primer in particular, as well as the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer, which is my favorite as well, both of them absorb oil, which is the main cause for smudging. I'm also going to be using it in my lower lash line. I'm not just going to leave it at this. I'm also going to set it with a translucent powder around the eyes, and this one's from One Size. The powder modifies the skin and it creates a dry barrier that locks the eyeliner in place and prevents it from transferring or breaking down throughout the day. When it comes to technique, avoid applying eyeliner in the inner waterline, which is closer to your eyeballs, because eyeballs are watery, and when they touch the inner waterline, the eyeliner can also get watery and smudge. Instead, use the eye pencil close to the lashes where it's dry. The same with the upper waterline. Avoid using it closer to the eyeballs where your waterline is more moist, and use it closer to the lashes where it's more dry. Also, avoid applying it to the inner and outer corners because that's where your eyes are most sensitive. With eye pencils, try to look for waterproof formulas. I'm going to be using one of my favorite pencils. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist pencil. I'm going to lightly pull my lash line down using a Q-tip so I can clearly see where I'm applying the pencil. And as I explained, I'm going to use it very close to the lashes, and I'm going to completely avoid the inner waterline and the inner corner and outer corner. I also like to apply it very light-handedly. As you can see, my inner waterline is completely eyeliner free, and I've used it only close to my lashes in the waterline. I'm going to do the same with my upper waterline, lightly lift it with a Q-tip, and I'm going to tightline very close to the lashes, avoiding the inner and outer corners. For the final step, I'm going to secure this using a very light brown eyeshadow, which is very close to my skin tone, right underneath my lash line. That's going to lock in everything. Now you can also use a translucent powder. And yes, my eyes have been extremely watery. It's taken off some of that primer in the inner corner. And that's one of the main reasons I don't use the eye pencil in the inner and outer corners. That's pretty much what I do with my eye pencil or eyeliner to secure it. Just for comparison, I'm going to apply the eye pencil on my other eye just like we usually do. But first I'm going to prime my lids. I'm again using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'm going to pull down my lash line gently with the Q-tip, and I'm going to start applying it in the very outer corner. And my eyes immediately feel irritated and start to water. And that's why you need to avoid the corners. And then again, applying it to the inner waterline, which is what I'm doing here, that's also irritating the eyeball. Now let's do the smudge test. I know I'm rubbing my eyes. I usually don't do this at home. I just want to show you how this works. And as you can see, only my left eye has smudged. That's pretty much it, my friends. It's almost always about the technique and less about the product. I hope you found this useful and enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.